guys, this is my tutorial for a Valentine's Day wine tumbler set. I have already sanded and prepped my tumblers using an 80 grit sanding block and Rust-Oleum Ultra in flat white and satin apple red. We'll be using the epoxy method, so I only used a small amount of epoxy, about 5 milliliters on each tumbler. For the white tumbler, I created a custom mix using half and half of Peachy Olive Glitter's Silk and Venetian. To add a little bit more shimmer and to soak up the rest of the epoxy, I used a touch more silk on top of the white tumbler. Epoxy till smooth and you'll be ready to create your heart stencil. The hearts I used are in my Etsy shop. I'll place a link to them in the description box down below. They will come with the hearts and the heart outline, but we'll only be using the main heart for this design. Be sure to cut your stencil, leaving enough space around the heart to create a sturdy stencil. If you cut it too thin, it'll be really hard to work with. For the Mosaic Gold leaf, I'm using Leaf from Woody's Goodies. For this design, I wanted my hearts to have several colors instead of a single gold foil color, and this leaf was perfect. Apply the glue and add the leaf on top using your finger to flatten. Rub the leaf gently to remove any excess. Once your leaf is how you like it, peel your stencil up very carefully and repeat, adding hearts anywhere you like on your tumbler. It's totally up to you. When you're finished, seal your tumbler using a clear spray to keep your foil from moving and preventing dimples in your epoxy. I use Rust-Oleum Clear Gloss Enamel. For the smaller hearts, I'll be using a textured vinyl, and we'll use the Premium Vinyl Textured Metallic Cut Setting. For the main saying, I'll be using a white vinyl and using the vinyl cut setting. For the outline, I'll be using a gold foil vinyl and using the adhesive foil cut setting. Before my final coat of epoxy, I'll be sealing my vinyl with Quick Coat from CC DIY. This will help my vinyl keep from peeling up and prevent dimples in my epoxy. To your final coat of epoxy, you're all done. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Have fun making your tumblers, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!